Welcome to this walkthrough for setting up a sticky navigation bar on WordPress in the year 2025. In this tutorial, you will follow a series of clear steps designed to guide you through this process in approximately 5 minutes. We begin by directing our attention to the WordPress website. Once you have accessed the site, look towards the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking on this login button initiates the process of accessing your account. After clicking login, you will be presented with several options for signing in. In this instance, select the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. This method provides a convenient and secure way to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you have chosen to continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the Google account you want to use. Make sure you select the account that has the appropriate privileges for editing your website. After signing in with your Google account, your next step will be to navigate towards the quick link section on your WordPress dashboard. Here, locate and click on the Edit Site option. This choice is critical because it directs you to the editing environment where modifications to your website's appearance and functionality can be made. Once you have clicked on Edit Site, a list of your websites appears. From this list, select the website you wish to modify. This action opens the site editor, allowing you to access specific elements of your site. With your website now open for editing, move your focus to the header section of your site. Clicking on the header is an important step because this is where many design and functionality changes, including the sticky navigation bar modification, are managed. After you have clicked on your header, direct your attention towards the top right corner of the editing interface where you will locate the Settings option. Selecting Settings will open a panel containing various configuration options for your header. Within the Settings panel, navigate to the Position section. The Position section is specifically designed to control the placement and behavior of your navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Default and click on it. Once you have selected Default, the final step is to change the setting from Default to Sticky. This modification ensures that your navigation bar remains visible at the top of your site as a visitor scrolls down the page, thereby improving the accessibility and usability of your website. Following these instructions precisely will result in a sticky navigation bar that enhances your site's functionality and provides a better user experience. Each of these steps is necessary to ensure that your website remains engaging and navigable to your visitors. By completing this process, you have successfully updated your WordPress site to include a sticky navigation bar, a feature that is both modern and highly useful in web design. Enjoy making further customizations to your site with confidence and ease, knowing that your changes are both effective and straightforward to implement.